All those trucks are now blocking us right here. These guys are starting to block here, and they will go all the way down the street there. Look at this. And yet apparently the police are out here every week not fixing this problem. Welcome to Laredo. Doesn't look that bad just yet. It's about to get worse. You know, with such nice weather like this so often, I don't know why anyone wouldn't want to be a truck driver. I mean, this is easy, right? Look at how much water's coming out from behind him. He looks like he's a boat at this point. And it was worse about 2 miles ago. So, this is what we get paid the big bucks for. This is why you get paid the big bucks out here to be a truck driver. Because you have to keep going through stuff like this and do it safely. And I can see some lights up ahead. I'm watching for them. You really can't see that far out here. That's why you got to be careful with riding like this. Looks like it's letting up.